Right, today we're going to bring a platinum 1 TB drive that we're going to install into our system here. And here we have a Dell. We have plenty of space here. We're going to go ahead and install the SSD drive. This is a solid state drive, 1 TB. If you guys can see, on the read speed it's about 500 megabytes per second. On the write, 450 megabytes per second. 2.5 jacks. 2.5 connections that we're going to require. In this case, we already have the space. We have the slot. We're going to set it up. So when you're replacing your SATA, the screws are included in there. Just connect this one. Yeah, just go ahead. So when you're replacing your SATA, the screws are included in there. Just connect this one. Yeah, just go ahead and connect it.
Okay.
And then just put the screws. The screws are right here.
Okay, there.
Any new hard drive, we're gonna have to go to disk management.
And right here.
No, underneath. Disk management, and then it's gonna show you the drives, and it tells you that it found a new drive. Hit OK on that one.
Okay.
And then there's a new drive right here, 1 TB down here is already installed. So we're gonna format it. We're gonna click on it. You're gonna right click on it or hold the button, and you say convert to dynamic, right? So we're gonna convert to dynamic.
The second one?
No, the first one. And then hit OK. And now we're gonna format it. So we're gonna go ahead, hit that. Hold on. Oh, there it is.